Good morning, student. Today we are going to see the last paragraph of our lesson Alchemy of Nature. And before this period, we learned that the meaning of alchemy. Alchemy means the process of transforming things. Here, the meaning of alchemy is process of transforming things. Magical process. And through this lesson the writer Raksha Baralia want to tell us how the nature helps us, how the nature fulfill our needs, how nature whispers us, how nature commands us, how nature soothes us, and how nature motivates us. For giving the natures, how the nature work for us. To explain this sentence, to explain this meaning, the writer gave us some examples of nature. In the first paragraph, she gave us the example of hibiscus plant. Though the life of the hibiscus plant is short-lived, but the hibiscus plant enjoy its life to its fullest, though it has only one day life. And through this, the writer wants to tell us why we are not able. She asks us why we are not able to live our life, to enjoy our life like the hibiscus flower. And in the second paragraph, she gave the example of a rocky beach. The beach has so many rocks, and the rocks are so hard, and the water of the ocean is so gentle. But when the water every day flows on the rock, and this process continues year after year, and this process continues year after year. तुम्ही ना मिरच्या भाजल्या वाटते आहे ना. पानी दे रहे आयुष थोड़ा सा. ते दारही उघडं ठेवलं तिकडचं, दारही तिकडचं उघडं ठेवलं. हे उघड बरं थोडा वेळा. In the next paragraph, the writer gave us the example of a tree which is bare of leaves. The trees became bare of leaves in the winter season, in the winter months. And at that time, on seeing the trees, we thought that the chapter of these trees is over. We thought that the chapter of these trees was over. But after 3 months, as the spring set in, the new spring set in, the tree was back to its green majesty. Then the bare leaves tree back to its green majesty once again. Then the tree was full of leaves, flowers, birds, and life. Like this, our life too had the convictions. Our life too had the convictions, means difficult situation. However, the difficult things are right now. We had the convictions, meaning here strong belief. If we have strong belief in ourselves, then how much the problems are difficult. Then right now we have so many problems in our life, but like the bare leaves tree, after some time, after some months, after some time, spending some time, we will be on the right path. The problems of our life will be go. So here the writer told us that the difficult days in our life will also pass. The difficult days in our life will also pass after short time if we have convictions, means if we have strong belief. Now the writer is giving one another example to us. We saw an army of ants lugging a fly which was at least 10 times the ant size. Here the meaning of lugging is given, pulling with great difficulty. She told us that many times we saw the army of ants lugging a fly, the army of ants lugging a fly which was at least 10 times the ant size. The fly was so big, the fly was 10 times bigger than the ants, but the army of ants lugging the fly, the ants organized themselves around the fly. Only one and two ants are not able, one or two ants are not able to fly, to catch, to lugging the fly. But if the ants organize themselves around the fly, so for lugging the fly, the ants organize themselves around the fly. They make their team, lifted it on frail feelers and carried it to quite a distance. Frail feeler means here weak legs. The ants, they organize themselves around the fly and then they lifted the fly. They lift the fly and on their weak legs, and they carried that fly to some distance, making a team, making organization. The ants lifted the fly and carried it to a quite distance. Their teamwork and perseverance were impressive. Here the ants are so small, they have not so strong, they did not have so much strength, but when they organize, when their teamwork, due to their teamwork and perseverance, they were able to do the work which was impossible for them. And this, their teamwork and their perseverance is impressive. What if we too are consistent, organized, focused? And here the writer told us that if we are also able to consistent, if we organize, if we focus to do anything with our teamwork, then everything will be possible in our life. Focused, spider webs are delicate yet very strong. We saw many times spider webs in our houses, in our storeroom, and that spider webs are delicate. They look so sweet, they look nice, yet very strong. But they are very strong. A rainbow colors the entire sky. A single rainbow colors the entire sky. Oysters take a grain of sand. They open up with a pearl. Oysters take a grain of sand. Oyster take a grain of sand and when they open, it becomes a pearl. Innumerable stars shine across the infinite sky. Innumerable stars shine across the infinite sky. Clouds take new shapes with every passing moment. Clouds also change their shape. They also take new shapes when they passes every moment. Water without hint of ego changes its form according to the dictates of the sun and the wind. According to the dictates of the sun and the wind. And the water, it also without any hint of ego, changes its form according to the wind and the sun. When we see a caterpillar turned into a butterfly, a flower turned into a fruit, we experience the alchemy of nature. The writer here told us, when we see the caterpillar turn into a butterfly, then we see the flower turn into a fruit, we experience the alchemy of nature. On seeing this, we experience the alchemy of nature, the magical process of changing things of nature. We touch it and became gold ourselves. We touch the magical things and we became gold ourselves. In this lesson, the writer gave us some examples from the nature, and through that example she wants to tell us, she wants to experience us the nature's commands, the nature's teachings, the nature's persistence, the nature's motivation, and she compares that all things which happened in the nature to our life. Our life is full of difficulties, but if we learn, if we accept some things from the nature, some experiences from the nature, then our problems will leave soon. Our problems will go from our life very soon. Here we finish our lesson, and now today's homework for you is to complete question number 1, question number 2, question number 3 and question number 4 of this lesson in your notebook. Complete question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 of lesson number 1.6 Alchemy of Nature in your notebook. Thank you.